Okay, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and I have a very quick tip for you today. For those of you who are into the foiling, you know very well that after you've foiled whatever it is that you wanted to foil, you may wind up with your paper, the one that has the foil on it, with splashes like this. And your first attempt or temptation is to throw it out. Well, I say don't throw it out, because you can use all of these, okay, bits and pieces of the foil to make something pretty. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to use my black cardstock. I'm going to put a little bit of, randomly, put a little bit of my glue throughout, okay? And once again, this, I'm talking about the foil that is that works with glue, not the one that you use heat for, okay? Now I'm gonna just take this and press it down, and with an old credit card, what I'm going to do is I'm going to really what's the word, not varnish, but well, there's a word for this, but you're gonna just try to get as much of this you're gonna try to get as much of this foil from the paper that it's on to your cardstock. Let me take a look. You see? Not so bad, pretty good. Okay, so let's see where else I could use this. I still have, if you can see, I still have some foil over here. I don't want to waste anything. Nothing is to be wasted. Every last little bit of this foiling is not to be wasted. And what you do is you keep doing this until 95% of your foil is on your paper. Okay, let's take a look at what I have here. You see how most of it is? Okay, and I can continue to try to lift up and take the rest of this and put it on here, but for the sake of time, you know what it is that what I mean. So now I'm going to take this, and I can use a punch, a small heart punch or a flower punch, and create beautiful, beautiful flowers or hearts, whatever. Let me show you what I did. Here's a card that I did using, that I created using that technique, okay? And of course you can see that the flowers have a lot of the black cardstock showing, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfectly covered. It's just for the added effect. And instead of throwing this out because, oh, it's ugly, it's not ugly. You have to remember to think outside of the box and see and think of how you can utilize everything without waste. I hope you liked this tip. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.